Hey guys, Shoot from TradingApples.com here. It's 1:22 p.m. 8/4/2011. It is a Thursday. I just got into a long position on Apple as usual. What else am I doing but getting into long positions on Apple? Just wanted to get a quick scalp in here. It's already up about 195 or so, and we can see here if we look closely that price just pretty much just touched an area of support that was established earlier today. So I saw that as a good opportunity to get into a long position. Hopefully it works out for me. It's already up about 225 or so. And, you know, I would like to see this go up to 386. I mean, you know, we could sit on it for a little while and maybe see another home run. It looks like it's gaining ground here. It's up about 250. Entry price 383.02. Current price 383.84. So we've gotten substantial price movement upward since we've gotten into this position, and even since I started the video. So it's not really much more complicated than that. I mean, basically price just ran down to an area of support that had been previously established on the day. The other factor that plays into this as well, and you know, this is also really simple, is that there's been a lot of selling today. If you look at the average movement of price, like I talked about in the last video from Monday, on a certain amount of volume, price tends to move a certain distance, and in this case, volume is a tad higher during that move, and the move is also a tad longer, or about the same, but on the same volume. If you look at this here, going back to 729, if you look at the measure of this move and then look at the amount of volume that is representing that move, you can come back here today and you can look at the exact same thing. You know, the move is almost exactly the same length, and the volume is almost exactly the same. So, having said that, in previous days, it has been shown basically that once that move takes place, that force is you know, done. You can't move it any further than that. So I'm kind of counting on that here. And does it always work out perfectly? Absolutely not. I mean, but it's a good gauge to go by. So I'll keep you guys updated on this trade. Okay, guys, back on Apple, 1:37 p.m. It's up about 850 on the trade. You can see that price has moved up nicely from my entry point, and I think I'm going to exit this. I don't want to get too greedy with it. And that was Apple, 300 shares. Open price 383.02, close price 385.85 for an $849 profit. Guys, that was just a good example of the sellers running out. And when price gets down to an area where the bulls feel confident getting into the position, you know, that's all I can really say about it. I mean, it's very simple. Nothing really to it, really. I mean, obviously there's a lot to trading, but you know, sometimes you get a position like this where it's just really clear cut, no indicators, no craziness to confuse you, no list of 100 things to look at before you enter a position. So that was that. 1:39 p.m. So the trade only lasted, you know, a few minutes or so. And again, it was, you know, pretty much a home run. I didn't even expect that much out of it, but as you can see, looking at this one bar, it started moving up considerably after a certain time. Now it's pulling back a little bit, so I'm kind of glad I got out. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll see you next time.